What's up, y'all? It's your boy, Black Owl, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Today, I'm going to show you how to make some shepherd's pie in the skillet. And you're saying to yourself, Black Owl, shepherd's pie? I didn't know you had any sheep. Well, I don't, buddy. This is shepherd's pie. It's actually called shepherd's pie. It's called a couple of things. Hamburger pie. I call it about 10,000 different damn things today. Hamburger pie, shepherd pie, what the hell is that? So, I'm going to show you how to make it today the good way, the quick way too, because we're going to do it in the skillet. And I'll show you what I'm talking about. First thing you got to do, you want to make some shepherd pie, some hamburger pie. You have to get that hamburger, that big beef, like me and Arnold out there, you know what I'm talking about. So, go ahead and get your ground beef, put it in the pan, and what do we always do? We're going to add a little salt and pepper just for flavor, make it good, and put a little salt and pepper in there. I'm also going to add just a little bit of garlic powder for that good flavor. And once by the time it gets brown and good and done, I'm going to put me some soy sauce in there. Now, it don't have to come from the Chinese food restaurant if you ain't got any, but that's what I got. That's what I'm using, buddy. So that's just going to give us a good flavor. You can put a little beef stock in there, me. I ain't got done, and you know me, buddy. I ain't got time for that shit. So the soya salsa it was today. Now, once you get your meat good and done, we're going to go ahead and add some vegetables in there so you grow up big and strong. First one we're going to add is the canned corn. And that's the we'll go tomorrow. Sound like an old fat bastard in there, so.
What? I didn't have any corn!
Then, we're going to go ahead and add our green beans. Good for you, good for me, make us good. So, green beans, corn, good. Now, comes the pie part, because you want something to tie everything together. You want something to tie it in there and make it good. So, we're going to make some mashed potatoes and shit, just like on. Are you going to make homemade mashed potatoes? Hell no, I get time to do shit, so had to get the box again. You're asking how I make my mashed potatoes, it's all on the back of the box, baby. They beat me to it, just read the back of that box. So, I went ahead and made my mashed potatoes, got everything mixed up, and then just laid my potatoes in there and kind of smoothed it out with me fork. Now, I had some leftover cheese in there, luckily, because you're going to want to put just a little bit of cheese on top of this deal right here to make it gooey, gooey, oh so good. So, once you've got your cheese on there, I kind of went ahead and garnished with a little parsley flake. You could use, oh, I don't know, some green onions or something like that. This is what I had in the damn house. Make it look pretty. So, once you get it in there, I got everything done. I assembled the thing, and I turned the skillet on medium. Now, you can also put this dish in the oven. That's how it's traditionally done. But you know me, buddy. I had to do it my way today. Get it done quick, get it done fast, and only use one dish. So, it's already cooked. I put everything in there, turned my skillet up on about medium heat, and I let it go just until my cheese started to melt. And by that time, I was ready for a sight. And the big bite of this shepherd pie, hamburger pie, whatever the hell it's called. Done. Ready for it. Alright, buddy, the time has come. The shepherd pie is done. I'm having that first bite for Big Papa right here, so I don't mind if I damn do, but it smells. Man, how do you get everything in there? It's a hassle, but it's good. It's going to be worth it. Brother man. That's that good stuff. That meat in there. That's good and savory. Those vegetables, they give it that extra texture. And those beautiful potatoes right on top of the cheese, just blend everything together. That's delicious, man. Tastes like a big old Sunday meal. All in one. Kind of like a Sunday dinner casserole. I'm loving it. And I'm loving all of you too. So, I want to thank you for stopping by and watching another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Make sure to like and subscribe and follow me on social media. You can also watch all my other cooking videos right here on my damn YouTube channel. Now, y'all enjoy your hamburger pie, whatever it's called, and I'll see you next time.